Hi, my name is Victoria Barrow, and this is my student, Melanie. My lesson today is based on the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills from Chapter 112, Science, for first graders, under the concept Organisms and Environments. The name of my lesson is Living Things and Non-Living Things. The objective of my lesson, after listening and exploring my lesson, my student will be able to identify living things and non-living things in the world around her. So let's start with what is a living thing. So first, all living things grow. Like here is this baby, and it might look like you when you were little. Okay, maybe not, but you were a baby before, and now you look like a first grader, like this little boy. And here's a picture of a mom measuring her daughter. See how much she's growing. And not only people grow, but also plants grow. So that means there's a living thing. And here are some baby lions. And do baby lions also grow? They don't stay little, right? And here is the big lion and what they turn into after being babies. Also, living things needs to eat to get energy. So living things eat. And they also use up their energy by jumping and running. Living things reproduce, like animals and people reproduce by having babies. But plants also reproduce, but they reproduce with seeds. Another concept of a living thing is that living things can breathe. So let's just take a deep breath. Good job. So that means we are living things. Good job. Now let's talk about not living things. Let's start with a soccer ball. Can a soccer ball grow? Can it be a little tiny baby soccer ball and then grow into a gigantic soccer? No. So that means
Unliving thing.
non-living thing. Good job. How about, can a teddy bear breathe like we just did? No. So what does that mean?
Unliving thing.
Non-living thing. Good job. How about blocks? Can blocks eat? And what does that mean?
Unliving thing.
Non-living thing. Good job. So now let's just take a look at some familiar objects. This is going to be your little project. Here are some pictures of living things and non-living things. Here you're going to put non-living things. So things that do not breathe, grow, reproduce, jump, okay? And over here, you're going to put living things, like things that breathe, jump, eat. Ready? Here is, so let's just start with a person. Would a person be at the pile of not living things or living things?
Living things.
Good job, Melanie. How about a soccer ball? Living things or non-living things?
Unliving things.
Non-living things. Good job. How about this tiger? Is he a living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Living thing. Good job. How about a tree? A plant. Is this one a living thing or not living thing?
Living thing.
Living thing. Good job, Melanie. You're doing really good. Okay, one more. Can a teddy bear is a living thing or non-living thing?
Non-living thing.
Non-living thing. Good job. How about you finish these ones? And you put them on non-living thing and living things. Good job. Well, thank you for watching my presentations on living things and non-living things. And now Melanie and I are going to explore the living things and non-living things outside. We gotta go. Thank you. Bye-bye.